It's a question we see all the time. Is Airwallex an app? When you're dealing with global business finances, you need easy access. You need flexibility. You need to manage things whether you're at your desk or on the go. So let's settle it. Airwallex is absolutely a mobile app. You can find it on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Now, while Airwallex started as a powerful platform for cross-border payments accessible through a web browser, the mobile app brings key features right to your pocket. Think of it as your portable finance center. You can quickly monitor your multi-currency balances, check real-time transaction history, and even view and manage your Airwallex corporate cards from anywhere in the world. Need to check a spending limit or freeze a lost card instantly? The app handles that. For a busy business owner or finance manager, this is crucial. It means you can approve or reject multi-batch transfers or manage employee expenses without needing to be tied to a computer. That kind of mobility keeps your global business moving smoothly. In short, Airwallex is more than a simple app. It's a robust extension of its full global financial platform, giving you essential control and visibility right from your phone. So download it, log in, and take your global business finances on the road.